Once you've created your slots or in your piece, while it's still flat, prior to pulling it up, you're going to want to make sure that that these lines have actually cut through the surface. So if you take the selection tool and click the main part of the piece, you can see that this does not highlight and neither does this. That can tell you that those pieces have effectively been separated by your pencil line. So now we're just going to delete them, and the way to do that is to select it and then click the delete button, and you should be able to see the green afterward. Make sure that you're selecting the middle area and not the edges. Oops. I'm going to try using the eraser tool. I want to get rid of this part right here. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to pull this up, and I'm going to use the push-pull tool, and I'm going to mouse over the surface, start to pull up, and type in 3/4 inches. And that gives me a 3/4 inch slab if I look at it. Now, this is going to be, I'm going to have 4 of these pieces in my design. So now I need to copy these. And to do that, I'm going to select it 3 times in order to get all the surfaces. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm taking the move tool and I'm going to mouse into that corner there and grab the corner, and next hold the option click and hold the option key. And that pulls a copy of the piece that you made. Notice that I'm keeping it on that red axis so that I know it's directly next to the first piece. While it's selected, I'm going to do that again. So I'm just going to mouse over, click, going on a corner, click, and then hold down the option key and drag a copy. And I can do this one more time for the 4th one. And that's how you make a copy of one piece.